Mariana.
And I'm Marcelo.
And we are On Love, and this is our 7 days yoga for beginners program.
This program is for you that have never practiced yoga before or is starting now. Here, we will teach you the basics, fundamental postures, breathing exercise, and the most common practice. Everything you need to know to start your yoga journey.
We will guide you through different practices, from more relaxing and restorative sessions to more energetic and sweaty classes. This way you get to know different yoga styles, and later you can decide which one you like the most.
Check out our class schedule so you can see what we will learn and practice.
On the first day, you will have a very gentle session, starting to bring the attention to your breath, learning some basic movements and connecting with your body. You will also learn the abdominal breathing, a very important exercise to increase lungs capacity and keep you healthy.
On the second day, the focus is to grounding, working on standing postures that is the basics of our practice.
On the third day, you will start to flow, synchronizing movements and breath in dynamic sequence such as the sun salutation. You will also learn the Ujjayi breath, the victorious breath of the yogis.
On the day 4, we have a powerful flow, working on strength, sweating a bit, and doing a body detox. And we also learn a new breathing exercise that also helps to purify the body. And on the day 5, to compensate, you have a very relaxing session to get to know about restorative yoga.
On day 6, you will work on your balance, not only physical but also mental, challenging the focus of your attention and your stability with postures, and also learning a breathing exercise that helps alleviate stress and anxiety. And to close our beautiful program, on day 7, the focus is to open the heart, working on back bending postures, opening the shoulders and chest, and also helping you to improve your posture.
And to close our program, we have a special surprise for you.
To follow this program, it would be great to have a yoga mat, but you can always improvise, practicing on top of a towel or a blanket, the carpet, or even the floor, as long as it's clean.
This program was recorded in partnership with Island Yoga Thailand, a beautiful yoga center here in the island of Koh Samui. So get ready to start your yoga journey and see you tomorrow on our first class.
Namaste.